Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix AGL application not working on your iOS device. Encountering issues with the AGL application on your mobile device might be pretty much frustrating. So here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow to potentially resolve the problem. The first step is to check your internet connectivity. Enable your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. The next thing is to go ahead and tap open the App Store or your Play Store and search for the AGL application. If there is an update button available on the page, simply tap on the update button. Keeping the app updated ensures you have the access to the latest bug fixes and features. Once the application is updated, reopen the app and try logging in to see if that fixes the issue. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Close the AGL application completely by swiping up from your home page and then push off your application card upwards. Once you swipe up the application card, you will be able to force tap the app. Now reopen the app by tapping on the app icon from your app drawer, and this will be able to help you restart the application. You can also consider restarting your device, since rebooting your device can clear out temporary caches and glitches that might be affecting the app. Power down your device completely and then restart it again. If the problem still persists, consider reinstalling the application. Press and hold the AGL application from your app drawer and tap on Remove App. Tap the Delete App button twice in order to delete the AGL app from your device. Now go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and re-download the AGL application back on your device. Soon after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue right away. So those were some of the fixes you could try and follow to fix your AGL app not working on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.